Hi guys, my name's Dale. I'm speaking from very wet Thailand, unusual for this time of year. It's usually nice and sunny, but it's piddling down at the moment, or well, it's raining anyway. So this short video is about the GIOTTES, or however it's pronounced, I don't know, GIOTTES rocket puffer. It's used mainly for getting the dust off of DSLR or mirrorless cameras off the sensors, and of course it can be used for lenses as well. Anyway, I just sent from Bangkok. It took 2 days to arrive and I'm very pleased with it so far. So let's get on with the unpacking straight away. Okay guys? Right, here we go, the unboxing then. Yes, very pleased with it. I ordered it on the 6th of January and it arrived this morning, which is the 8th of January, so I'm very pleased with that. And I ordered it from Lazada. It's a GIOTTES Rocket Air Blower Big Red. I'm not really worried about the colour of it, but that's what they had, the only one they had in stock, so we're happy with that. Right, standard delivery, and it costs 450 baht, which is about probably £12 now, with the way the pounds dropping through the floor, which is reasonably expensive. But then I bought it in Thailand, so all the taxes are already paid and it arrived straight away. If I bought it from the States, say, or the UK, I'd have all the rigmarole, I'd have it posted over there. If they do post, the added postage, blah 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 blah. So it may be cheaper in the States and in the UK, but to get it to Thailand it's going to be more expensive. So this is the route I've chosen, folks. We'll put my little bit of paper out of the way and open the beast up. Now, as on my previous videos, I always open packaging with a razor blade, very carefully round the edges. Now, this is a local delivery. I mean, the stockist, I think, is in Bangkok, which is only about 70 odd kilometres away from where I live. Now the packaging is nothing special, it's just a cardboard box, no packing or anything like that. Oh, there is a bit of packing, a bit of bubble wrap. I stand corrected, there we are. Actually, I find Lazada very good. I've used them loads of times, and the only time I've ever had a complaint, if you like, was the product I ordered was a load of crap, but there was nothing to do with Lazada. They've delivered everything on time, the price they've said it's going to be, etc. Now this, I paid cash on delivery. You can pay, you know, you can pay by credit card or whatever, or I mean, it all seems silly really for that amount of money, but there it is. Look, it looks genuine. I thought it was going to be a knockoff, but it's got the, I won't take it out just yet, it's all got the labels on. I can see around the back it's blah blah blah. And if you look at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see that, I won't, like I say, I won't take it out of the packaging, but that's a non-return valve there, so that you don't suck in bad air, so to speak, so I'm told anyway. That's it. You know, I won't unpack it because I don't want to get dust in it until I actually start cleaning the sensor on my Micro Four Thirds camera. So that's it. I will demonstrate it just to show you how it works, if it works properly. But anyway, to date I'm very happy with that. That's fine. It's all delivered perfectly. It's as it says it is. It's got bits and pieces on it, you know, it's all there. It's all there. I'm happy with that. Okay folks, right, I'll try it out in a minute and just get back to you on that. Okay. Well, here we are at a computer desk, which is reasonably free from dust and very little wind. Well, having said that, I tell a lie, as the fan is on. So we turn that off, so we now have an area that's free of wind and hopefully free of dust. So we're going to clean the sensor on my Panasonic Lumix GX8 Micro Four Thirds camera, which I love incidentally. great camera. Now as you can see, I've put the rocket, who call it the red rocket, in a zip bag which I used to keep, or which I was given medication in from the hospital, so I'm assuming that is pretty well spotlessly clear of dust in there. I hope so. Anyway, now then, let's get to the GX8. Like quite a few of the Panasonic cameras, they have a self-cleaning mode here. Now if I can find it, there we are, I've gone straight to it. So just go through your menu on your camera. I think loads of other makes do this now, and just go sensor cleaning, start processing, yes, just like that. It only takes a split second. Now do it a couple of times, yes, do it again I think, just to make sure. Now I do this quite frequently because I use this camera on my telescope, and I'm changing that outside, attaching that to the telescope outside, and often there's a bit of breeze around, so you know, it's going to get dusty. The sensor's going to get dusty, the lenses do, so I'm certain the sensor does as well. So now then, let's get this the red rocket out. Now I have read various articles on cleaning the sensor, and I'm a little bit wary about using chemicals, etc., although probably it's quite safe these days, I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to try the old puffer first, the old red rocket, and see how that goes. I have a few dirt spots on there, and I have shifted them around, unfortunately, with a lens cloth, which is not the best way to clean a sensor, I don't think. But anyway, I've got rid of most of them, but there are one or two stubborn ones, and I'm going to see if this puffer gets rid of it. So we hold our camera face down, open up, take the cap off, and then the rocket, or whatever puffer you use, you don't want to go right inside and touch the sensor. That's the last thing you want, and you don't want to be too far away so you're blowing dust into it. So I would guess it's fair to put it pretty well level like that. I'm a bit wobbly there. Story of my life, I think. Anyway, I'll give it a few puffs, not too hard, and now I shall see how that works. I'm not going to do a test on it straight away because it's piddling down with rain, as I said earlier, and I'm really hot. My tea is getting cold, and I fancy a beer. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, folks, and I hope that it was of some use to you. Okay, and for those of you who actually live in Thailand, I would recommend Lazada. They're very good. Well, thank you a lot for watching this video. If it's of any interest to you, perhaps you'd like to visit my YouTube channel and maybe leave a comment, a like, or a subscription. Anyway, there are many more videos on my channel, so perhaps I may have used you. Thanks for watching. Bye.